Guys, it is time for a new update on the Bitcoin price because we just formed a new chart pattern on the smaller timeframes that will break out within the next 2 to 3 hours. So please watch this video right now so you don't miss out on that, because it will have an effect on the Bitcoin price movement for the next couple of days and weeks also. And I will explain to you in a second exactly why that is and how we can use it to open new trades actually. But now, first of all, as always, for the beginning of the video, I would really appreciate it if the subscription button still looks like this for you, red, then make sure to click it, subscribe, activate the bell, activate all notifications so you are always updated on the Bitcoin price and cryptocurrencies. And for sure, guys, also smash up a like on this video. I reached 2,000 likes normally with every single video, so would be amazing if we could reach that now with this video here again. And also make sure to follow my Twitter. I sometimes give bonus information there, like this tweet, for example, where I perfectly predicted the price range where Bitcoin would find support and bounce off of for now. So, but let's jump right into the charts. Let's not talk too much. What happened with the Bitcoin price? It's fairly simple, guys. On the 4-hourly time frame, as you guys remember, we broke out of this falling wedge, blah, 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 blah. And on the smaller time frames even, we had this beautiful symmetrical triangle. And yesterday, actually, there was some panic going on because everybody was getting a little bit hyped up again. Everybody was expecting this possible W pattern that we also talked about yesterday to already happen now, maybe today or tomorrow. But we get actually completely sold off here suddenly on the 4-hourly time frame. And why was that? This was actually because of the symmetrical triangle that I also mentioned in my last video. As you remember, I showed you guys a symmetrical triangle that broke to the downside, and this symmetrical triangle actually got retested. And this is the reason why we then got we saw a sell-off, because a lot of people on the 1-hourly time frame saw that we got rejected and started to sell off their Bitcoin holdings or short the Bitcoin price or close their longs, whatever, and this is why we dropped to the downside. But as you also remember from my last video, I told you right from the start that I don't really think that this symmetrical triangle will reach its price target if we are not reaching it within this week. Because, as you know, this weekly candle actually will close bearish at the current price, bullish at the current price levels, if we can keep or hold these price levels at least another 1 day and 12 hours, so another 36 hours till Sunday evening or Sunday night, when this weekly closes, whether this weekly candle closes. Because as long as we are closing it above this upward sloping support and we are closing it on the upper side of the weekly EMA ribbons, I think this is definitely a bullish weekly candle that could result in a very great reversal that could maybe actually bring us up to a new all-time high right after Christmas. But this is now pure speculation, so let's get back to the charts and really take a look on what is to be expected now. The daily chart is for now not so interesting. But like I said, we would need to reach this price target within the next 36 hours, because otherwise we have a bullish weekly close, and the bullish weekly close will for sure demolish this symmetrical triangle on the 1-hourly time frame. It will be completely irrelevant. But now there is another thing. Although the chances I actually expected from right from the start, I told you that I'm not really expecting that we are that bearish that this price target could be reached. And now we actually, after we saw the retest, we didn't break below the $47,000. As you guys remember, what did I tell you? I told you in the last video, the only important thing is that we don't break below the $74,000. What happened? We bounced off of them, and now we are actually forming a beautiful diamond pattern. And this diamond pattern is about to break out pretty much in the next, I don't know, 2 hours or 3 hours or something. And this diamond pattern has a breakout target. A diamond pattern is for sure a reversal pattern, right? If we would see this now the other way around, where the price goes into the diamond pattern, right, then it would for sure be a bearish chart pattern, right? But as we are coming in from the top into the pattern, it is actually a reversal pattern. So what this means now for us is that, first of all, Bitcoin suddenly has a new bullish price target now here in mind of $51,000. And for sure, guys, we cannot jump into any trades prematurely. We have to wait for the diamond pattern to break out, because even though these diamond patterns have a very great success rate in the crypto market, we have to be very honest here. We still have a bearish price target of this symmetrical triangle into play, which is definitely a bigger chart pattern than this diamond pattern. So if we break it to the downside out of this diamond pattern, guys, I mean, for sure, then it gets suddenly very realistic that we see a harsh dump before the end of the week, tomorrow, for example. But like I said, I don't see this as the most likely scenario. I think we have a good possibility of breaking here to the upside out of this diamond pattern, which would then result in a breakout target of $51,000. And what would that mean actually for the Bitcoin price? That would mean that we would get very, very close to our neckline of this huge W pattern that is still completely in play, guys. We don't need to complete this W pattern. I told you guys, we can form this W pattern as long as we are not breaking below $74,000. I told you exactly like this in yesterday's video. If you didn't see it, go away, go back, watch it, you will see. But whatever. This W pattern here is still in play. This can easily still be accomplished here with the Bitcoin price. And with this bullish breakout target potentially of this diamond pattern, we would actually pump all the way up here to the $51,000 level, which would put us insanely close to the neckline. So the bulls will for sure take their chances and also retest this neckline of this potential W pattern. And this is where the next big decision comes in. If we break it to the upside, wow, this will then actually result in another bullish breakout target. This I already showed you in my yesterday's video, of $57,000. This would then result in a bullish breakout here out of our bump and run reversal. And guys, then a new all-time high in December is a very, very realistic thing. The most important thing that we have to keep in mind here is that everything actually starts with the breakout out of this diamond pattern potentially, and that's why I'm uploading the video now ASAP, so you won't miss out on that, because I actually think it's already happening maybe. No, not yet, but I mean, we're very close. So guys, I will stop the video now. Leave a like, subscribe, activate the bell, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and don't miss out on the breakout that will probably happen while I upload the video. But whatever, I'm uploading it now, and thank you for watching, but don't get too bullish, wait for the breakout. Look at the chart, and then do a trade or whatever if you want to do. No financial advice here. I will actually open a long position if we break out to the upside out of this diamond pattern. But like I said, be careful and wait for the breakout before you jump in any trades prematurely, because, like I said, the bigger pattern, the symmetrical triangle, still has a bearish breakout target that could be reached as long as we haven't closed the weekly candle tomorrow. But yeah, we are going to see us. Till then, bye. Bye.